What's happening? It's Kylan, and it's Charlie, and it's Shelly, and it's Cody, and it's other people. But yeah, we're about to have fun. Comic-Con, let's go.
Hey guys, it's me, Shelly Hennig from Teen Wolf, here at Comic-Con.
Dylan Sprayberry, Charlie Carver, Tyler Posey.
The Style Season 1 jacket that I still have to this day. And yeah, I basically stole the clothes from Season 1 and I still have them. So I wish I could be there with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this incredible clip that's about to be shown.
Came in, she was like IMDb and fell into the topiary mid talk show, and they had to come replace it. I'm surprised you guys.
Charlie, can I borrow that?